Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Kalyani Dhruv, and today I am standing before you to give reporting on the topic experience as a leader of my school. So, when I was in class 11, it was a time to select school captain. For boys, it was like an election, and for girls, it was like a nomination. My name was nominated by the then principal, sir, who was continuously assessing my all performances, like in academics, sports, and cultural events. After assessing all my performances, he finalized my name as school captain. On 15th of August 2019, I got the badge of school leader and I started playing the role of leader. At the same time, I get another opportunity to take leadership of my house also. Actually, I am from a residential school and in my school there were four houses. The name of my house was Aravali, which denotes Aravali Lane, which is situated in Rajasthan, India. From that day onwards, the responsibility of two things came upon me, and I became even more responsible person. And in our life, responsibilities always comes with duties. So it's my duty to conduct all the activities related to my girls with effectively and efficiently. Being a leader, I get opportunity to tackle various problems related to maths, sports, cultural events, etc. Through this, I learned the problem solving capabilities, and it also helps me to enhance my communication skills. I always maintain coordination with my group members. I gave them chance to express their ideas, views on how to conduct activities better through and I realized that through coordination and cooperation with your group members will definitely gives you a desired result. Apart from all these opportunities, I had faced lots of hurdles regarding how to manage studies along with leadership. But I never gave up. I never forget the fact that I am a leader, but I am also a student. So I started managing my time for both the purposes. Through this, I learned the technique of time management, and I want to say that time management is one of the key elements to success. I just want to mention two important qualities which I had learned as a leader. First, how to make an inclusive decision. Because in my school, I found people from various backgrounds, different perspectives, and different experiences. So it's upon me to take a decision which is inclusive, which helps me to promote fairness and justice among all. Second and most important thing, that is discipline. Discipline is the important factor for every person. Either you are a student, teacher, or officer. You all have to maintain discipline because you won't always be motivated. So you must learn to be disciplined. Through discipline, you can achieve all the success in your life. As a leader, I always work with honesty and integrity. And now I would like to differentiate between honesty and integrity. Honesty refers to the being truthful, and integrity refers to the being honest consistently, sticking with moral and ethical codes. Honesty without integrity is possible, but integrity without honesty is not possible. So I try be a honest person in my life. As a leader of such a prestigious school, I always felt honored, and I'm grateful to my teachers and my principals who considered me worthy of care. The qualities and capabilities which I had gained as a leader, I'll make sure that I definitely put it on my life ahead. At last, I want to conclude my topics by by telling you the reason behind why I am choosing leadership as a topic. Because as I see, most of the people who are present here are youth. And you all know that youth are the future of our country and youth are also the present of our country. So it's in our hand to lead our country towards a prosperous future by contributing our skills, knowledge, capabilities in various fields. Whatever it may be, either it will be in administration, police service, armed forces, entrepreneurship, entertainment, sports, or in politics. We just have to positively engage in it. Um, I hope my reporting will give you valuable insights about leadership qualities. Thank you for listening carefully.